Good everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. In this video I'll be teaching you how to remove your Amazon 30% royalties, how to remove it, not allowing Amazon to remove 30% royalties from your money. And in the last video I taught us how to open our Amazon accounts and how to fill our publisher information, but in this video I'll be teaching us how to remove the 30% royalties Amazon is removing from our money. Please, before we move into that, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell for more videos, and like this video, share to people that really need this video. So let's get into it. Now on your Amazon KDP, you will see your account. You click on account on your Amazon KDP, and some of you might see a verification that Amazon will send to you, to your number, to verify your login password. So from there you see a page like this, and you are going to fill in your tax information. Now scroll down and click on complete tax information. Click on complete tax information. And once it has opened, you provide every information. Now here you can see what is your task classification. It is individual, not business. Individual. You click on individual. And are you a United States citizen? No. You click on no. And are you acting as an intermediary agent? No. And you put in your full name, then select the country of citizenship. Your country of citizenship is different from your permanent residence, so it is different from permanent resident. Now you click your country of citizenship, which is Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian. And for your permanent address, that is where we are going to be working on for our tax information. Now here, what we are going to do here is to change your address from Nigeria to another country, and the best country I will advise you to choose is South Africa, because that is what I'm also using, and that is what most people are using. And you can also use other countries so that Amazon is not removing 30% royalty from their money. So I will advise you to use South Africa. So you move to the, now what I will tell you in this video is that you can go to your Google browser or Chrome or any browser you are using and search for an address in South Africa. So you search for an address, a fake address in South Africa. Actually it may not be fake and it might be fake. So you just search for an address in South Africa so that you can get the address to use in this. So once you've gotten your address, then you paste it to your tax information. Now here you can go to your browser and search for South Africa. You can search for South Africa fake address generator on your browser. Then once you see that, you click on the link here. So you look for an address in South Africa, and these are some of the addresses you can generate. So you just click on one and then you copy and paste to your Amazon KDP, your tax information. So clear this one, and put in your South Africa address. This is the address line. Then you put in the city. Then you put in the postal code. Now for this TIN value, you are going to be putting your NIN, your NIN number. That is what you'll be putting there. And your NIN, as you all know, it is 11 digits, so you put it there. So once you are done with that, you click on confirm. Then after that, they are going to send a review to you. All your information are going to be here and you are going to see it there. So in this place, you are going to put your signature, which is your full name. So you put in your full name here. You click on I certify that I have capacity to sign for the blah blah blah. Then you put in your full name as your signature. Then you click on submit form. Then once you click on submit form, you are going to see this, that the withholding rate is going to be 0.0, which means Amazon will not remove any dime from your money again, since your permanent residence is South Africa, and that is what you are going to be doing. Then you click on exit interview, which means you have completed the tax information. So that is how to go about your tax information, and by removing your 30% royalties, you are going to collect your full payment from Amazon KDP. So with this video, I hope this video is really helpful for you, and share to other people that really need this. So if this video is really help you, subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video. Turn on your notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.